Let's see how to create SQL Server in Azure. I have Tech World as a resource group, so I'll go inside that and I will create a SQL Server under this resource group. Okay, so I just selected the Tech World resource group. It's loaded now, and we have create button to create the resources here. So I just use this create button to create our SQL Server. And if you see here, list of available services. So we have the SQL database. So I just use this create button to create SQL database. So to create the SQL database, right, we should have the SQL server as well. So it will ask you to create the server as well. So let's see. See, the subscription is free trial, which I am using now, and the resource group is the Tech World, and the database name. Let's use this Tech World Software Solutions only, and the server. So we don't have any existing server. So let's create a new server using this button. Right, so I will use same Tech World Software Solution as a server. It will tell you that whether the server name is available or not. Yes, it is available, so let's keep that. And let me use the central US because we have already created a service with the central US only. And let's use SQL authentication and admin login. So server admin login, let me use admin only, and the pass C must not contain the SQL server. Okay, so let me use the same name. So it's available now, and the password is, let me use some password. 8 characters. Okay, okay. Yes, it's matched, and in downside you will have option to see here you will have the OK button, and click that. Now it will go to the next page. So you have the OK button here. Let me click that. OK. So now the TechWorld software solution server is ready. Let me see here. See, it's coming now. This one is our SQL server. And do you want to use SQL Elastic Pool? No. And this is the standard one. So let's use that. Let's use this geo redundant only. Go to the networking. And connectivity, you can give the public endpoint. Let's give this, adding the current client IP address as no. Let's use the default connection policy, and TLS 1.2 is the latest one. So let's go to the next. "30-day free trial period" and then paid service. So let's use this let's not use this, so not now. Other things we no need to do anything, so let's go to the additional settings. We are not going to use any existing data, so let's click none only, and collation will be created automatically. Tax is not required. Then review. See, it's giving the cost. Actually, we should not use this, so let's go back, start a free trial. Again, it has the price 1000 rupees. So anyways, we have some credit, so let's use this. It will take time to deploy, so let's wait. Now the deployment is completed, and let's go to the resource where we can see our new SQL server along with its database. So this is our SQL database, and this is our resource. Let's go to that. So this SQL server and storage account, SQL database, all these has been created now only while creating the SQL database. Okay, the storage account used to store our files. Actually, it has some blob storage and file storage and everything. So this is the SQL server, and inside this SQL server only we have this SQL database. So now we have created SQL database in Azure.